What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com at Ron Tonkin Toyota. Talking to you about this beautiful 2021 Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. The Siennas in general are super hard to get a hold of right now. We only have 3 new in stock currently. The all-wheel drive, this is the only one we have. The all-wheel drives are next to impossible to get a hold of right now. Just wanted to do a quick video and show you all about this particular one since it won't be here for long. The all-wheel drives are going to be 7-passenger. The XLE models are going to have the foot activated power sliding doors, captain's chairs in that middle row, third row. We've got fast charging USBs back here. Very versatile seating configurations. These can really slide quite a ways. You can also fold them up and slide them forward for max cargo capacity. Power sliders on both sides, also a power rear lift gate. This one is also equipped with the Toyota tow package. Includes a 4-pin connection as well for your trailer wiring. The third row seat folds down super easy. Again, additional fast charging USBs back here. I really love this foot activated feature. No hands, keys just gotta be in your pocket. Very spacious seating positions in the second row and even the third row for that matter. I'm a big guy, 6'2", and I can't even, well, I guess I could touch that seat if I wanted to. Separate heating controls back here. Taking a step into the driver's seat, we got all your power options, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, full power seat with lumbar adjustment. Down here we've got your fuel door release, power door, your traction control off, automatic high beams, your ODO. This USB port is not a fast charging USB port, but this is the one that's going to interface to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible head unit here. 9-inch touchscreen display. Push button start, of course. We've got automatic transmission. It's a CVT because it's a hybrid, but we do have the ability to have some simulated shift points, different drive modes here, sport, normal, and eco, as well as EV mode, auto hold, electronic parking brake. Of course, we've got a backup camera, 3-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats. We have Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, so that's going to include your pre-collision system, adaptive cruise control with full speed range, lane departure warning with lane trace assist, lots of steering wheel controls for different info in this display, or stereo controls, phone controls, tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, auto headlights to go along with the auto high beams, fog lights as well, front wipers, rear wipers. Up here we've got a mommy mirror to see what's going on in the back. Of course, your moonroof controls as well. Beautiful Oregon day today. This is the blueprint exterior color. Got those nice LED headlights, LED fog lights. Interior color on this one, they are calling graphite, I believe, but it's the light gray interior. Beautiful van. I'd love to earn your business on it. It won't be here for long. Please feel free to call me anytime or reach me through my website, OregonCarSource.com. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos, and have a great day.